The ASRB project was Plant Concrete's first large public works job. It was also Plant Construction's first mass timber project.
One of the coolest structures that I think exists on UC Berkeley's campus. It's structural concrete, structural steel, and mass timber. A very complicated job. Logistically, the project is located in the center of campus. And so getting concrete trucks there and setting up for pours during the school year, we had to get creative with how we were going to route trucks, what time we were going to start some of these pours.
We met the steel erection and the timber erection dates even through the winter with some large mass concrete pours.
All the structural steel anchor bolts in place, and luckily we got everything in within a 16th of an inch.
We are proud to work on that project because of the different system there, the mass timber line, the CLT, and it's just good to have that experience working with those trades.